Alright everybody, in today's video we are going to be replacing the engine air filter on your Nissan Versa Note. Right here in your engine bay is the air box. It's got a upper lid and a bottom portion. It's held together by these two clamps in the front. We're going to go ahead and undo. The lid part also has two tabs in the back that connect into the base. See that back there? In the base it has the two holes, and then the lid has the tabs. You don't actually have to take the whole lid off to get the filter out. Sometimes you can just finagle it out of there, but for the sake of the video I'm just going to take the whole lid off. From here, just go ahead and pull out the filter and make sure you got nothing big in your box. Somehow like leaves or something, you can get that out of there. So as you can see, it's not super dirty. It looks pretty clean outside in this bright light. But when we take it into the garage here, you'll see, it's doing its job, right? It's filtering all the particles. Just because it's not all dark, I mean, look at that. It's in there. It's dirty. You don't want to wait until it's clogged to replace it, right? It's been about a year since I replaced mine, so for me it's time. It's a really cheap part, like $10 to $15 once a year. I like to do mine. Make sure they're the same size and shape, and installation process is of course just in reverse. So we're gonna have our filters facing downward down into the box, not into the lid, and that just scoots on in there. And make sure everything is sitting flush. Okay, I go around and inspect the other side. Okay, make it flush. And now the lid part, I'm gonna put the lid tabs into the base holes in the back, and it should just rest all together. It's just sitting there. I shouldn't have to fight anything. Looks good, so now I'm going to clamp it back down. This part should also be easy. And congratulations, you just replaced your engine air filter on your Nissan Versa Note.